This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Start by preparing the device and environment for a safe firmware update. Charge the device to at least 50% battery before you begin the process. Connect to a stable power source if the device supports external power. Backup settings and data to cloud or local drive before updating to prevent data loss. Confirm available storage meets the firmware file size requirement, typically around 50 to 200 MB. Download the official firmware file from the manufacturer website only to ensure authenticity and integrity. Choose the appropriate update method based on the device and instructions. Use a reliable USB cable or stable Wi-Fi 5 GHz connection for updates to reduce failure risk. Transfer the firmware file to the device or launch the device updater application as directed. Follow the manufacturer step sequence exactly and do not interrupt power or network during flashing. Monitor progress indicators and avoid interacting with the device while it updates. Expect the update to take about 10 to 30 minutes to complete depending on file size. After the update finishes, verify the device boots and reports the new firmware version. Check the firmware version display for the expected string, for example V1, 2, 3 to confirm success. Test core functions, network connectivity, and peripheral devices to ensure stability. If the update fails, do not force power cycles. Instead, restore your backup and retry or use the provided rollback option. Reflash only with the official firmware file if needed. Collect logs and error messages and keep them for 7 days when contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.